Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you. Today's video is a very simple recipe that can help you with hair growth and also repair your damaged hair. If you're looking for ways to grow your hair faster, to repair your damaged hair, if your hair is thinning and shedding a lot, please pay attention to this recipe. My first natural ingredient for today's recipe is rosemary herbs. Rosemary is very great when it comes to hair growth. It can help improve blood circulation in your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. It is also going to treat scalp issues like dandruff and anything that is going to hinder your hair from growing. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is clove. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video. So cloves can help you grow your hair. It is also going to improve blood circulation in your scalp. Clove is very popular and a lot of you have already used it and can testify to it. But if clove hasn't worked for you, make sure to use it in this recipe. Follow the recipe and you will get that result you're looking for. My next natural ingredient is black seeds. Black seeds are also really powerful. If your hair is thinning out, you're experiencing hair shedding or hair breakages, you comb your hair, you see a lot of hair on the comb, you see a lot of hair on the floor, it means your hair strands are weak. Adding black seeds to your hair care routine will help strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages. This is Amla Powder, and that is my next natural ingredient. Amla powder is also very powerful when it comes to hair growth. It serves as a natural conditioner. So when you add amla to your hair care routine, it conditions your hair and prevents it from breakages. So again, if you're experiencing hair loss, hair breakages, amla powder can also help with that. My next natural ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa is another powerful natural ingredient that will help improve blood circulation in your scalp. It will strengthen your hair strands and prevent breakages. It contains nutrients and other vitamins that are needed for healthy hair. It also treats your scalp and makes your scalp area really healthy. You all know new hair grows from the scalp, so you want to make sure that scalp area is healthy because healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. So at this point, I have some hot boiling water going on and I'm going to set it off the stove and I'm going to add it to all my natural ingredients. Make sure your water is really hot. After that, you're going to give it a stir. I measured about half a tablespoon of each ingredient. Then I just top it with water. I didn't use any specific measurement when it came to the water. Just make sure you add enough water to cover all the natural ingredients. After that, you give it a good stir. Then after that, you're going to set it aside for at least 2 hours for everything to infuse together. So after a couple of hours, this is how everything is looking. The water is all cooled down. And you can see that all the ingredients have settled at the bottom, except the rosemary herbs and the clove. At this point, you will want to strain this because you don't want any particles in your hair. And you will need something with tiny holes. So you can use a cheesecloth, but I love to use paper towel. If you have any paper towel that is thick, it makes the process way easier. It traps all the powdered ingredients. So I just love to use paper towel, but use anything that you want. So after this is strained, there are a few things I need to do to even maximize the benefit of this recipe. If you are really looking out to growing your hair and also prevent hair damage, please don't sleep on this recipe. You will love this recipe in your hair. I'm also going to show you the best way to use this in order to get all the benefits from it. This is vitamin E oil. I love to add vitamin E oil to my DIYs because it also helps prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. Vitamin E oil comes in different forms. You can have it in a bottle or you can get it in a capsule like so. Either way is fine. You just need to add a few drops to it. You don't need much. I also love to add olive oil to my DIY recipes, but you don't have to use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, whether coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Adding oil to these recipes also helps it to stay in your hair longer because basically this is all water, right? So you want something that will help it stay in your hair longer without drying out. Adding oil to it can also add some shine to your hair. After that, I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle. You are going to use this at least 4 times a week. Whenever your hair feels dry, use this on your scalp as well as on your hair strands. You just spray it in and you follow with a leave-in conditioner and follow with a hair moisturizer as well. After that, if you have any leftovers, you can leave it in the refrigerator or in the freezer. If you don't like the smell in your hair, you can also add any essential oil of your choice and it is going to improve the smell. Don't sleep on this recipe. It is really powerful. Give it a shot and let me hear from you in the comment section which of the natural ingredients is your favorite. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.